So how do you load the EGO 56 volt 15-inch cutting swath string trimmer? Well, normally when the line gets too short, you're at the end of the line, you just pull it out when it's just this length. You can grab your new line of string and thread it through the center. I'm going to go right through the middle and I'm going to keep pushing through till I see it come out the other side. Now I'm going to line up my two ends to make them equidistant and the same length. Once they're the same length, I put my battery on. There's a 2 tracks or 2 L-shaped bracket that it just slides on from either side and locks into place. And then with the button on the power load, try to keep this unfouled, I'm going to wind up that string. I can always back it off a little bit by doing the bump feed and turning it a little bit, like so. Now when that line comes around, it's going to trim at that length. So to trim it to length, I'm just going to spin it around one time. And that cuts it to the exact length needed. If you ever need to get at inside the stringer head, first you remove the battery. You don't want this spinning around while you're working on it. Next, you push the 2 buttons on the side. That will allow the cover to pop off. Then gently remove the string trimmer spool cover. Now you can access the string. You do that if the line was twisted up in there or something. Or if you just needed to re-spool it, like we're going to do here. You can see how the line is going to be thread right through the middle there. Take all the line off. Now we're going to put the cover back on, lining up the green button with the slots on the side, and lock it in there. You'll hear it click. You'll have a channel that runs right through the middle there. So be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss another informative video like this one. I'm Eddie Field with Field Guided DIY. You got this.